Hi, this is Dr. Aarti. I'm a dentist practicing at Pearly White's Dentistry of Sarjapur Road. Teeth grinding does cause a lot of harm to your TMJ. What is TMJ? TMJ is the joint which connects your lower jaw to the skull, and it is a very small, soft, tender joint which has to be given a lot of care. But when you do constant teeth grinding and clenching your teeth over a period of years together, this puts a lot of pressure and stress to your joints. So what happens is, over a period of time, you will be experiencing clicking or popping noise whenever you open or talk or chew your food. This clicking and popping noise could gradually progress to sometimes a severe pain in your joints whenever you're chewing, yawning, or opening your mouth to talk also. So in such conditions, it is called a TMJ disorder. There is a problem in your joint. Some extreme cases, whenever you try to yawn or laugh wide open, your jaw could get locked. It is called locked jaw, and this locked jaw can be relieved only by your dentist. So what is the treatment whenever you have a clenching or a grinding habit of your tooth? There is a simple treatment called night guard, which can be done by your dentist. It is a soft silicone based material which is made to cover all your biting surfaces of your tooth. It can either be soft or hard, and it is prescribed to be worn at night times. Thereby, whenever you're clenching or grinding, all the pressure is put on this silicone rubber bite night guard, and it is not directly put into your jaw. Thereby, your jaw gets some rest during night time. If the pain in your joints is getting unbearable, it is always advisable to take professional help.